Want to know how to change currency in Money Manager? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Money Manager application. So we have also created similar videos regarding Money Manager, which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now once everything is done, you should be under this interface right here. And now in order to change your currency, it's super simple. On the bottom right side, you should be seeing this more icon right here. Just simply select that. And here you should be seeing various options. Now right beside accounts, you should also be seeing configuration. Just simply select that. And here under configuration, you should be seeing main currency setting. So you can just simply select that. And now just simply change it. Just simply select change right here. And then just sort and change it accordingly that you want. And that's it. After a while, as you can see right here, just simply choose data retention or initialization and then select yes, and you should be good to go. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.